you fantasize about.
Alrighty guys, I'm back. And as you can see, I've let this dry. We've got our red button now. As you notice, the middle's red. But I'm about to pull off that sandpaper that we put there. And look at that. I'll fix that up a little bit in there, but that's actually looking quite decent, and I'm loving that. So I think I'll just fix it up on the inside a little bit. See, there's the back. Very nice. Just like the YouTube logo, which is great. And I'll basically just sand off any of this inside. And I think this paper holding it on did a good job. There's only a little bit of red in there, but that's fine. Ashbay Gaming will be fine with it. And remember, this is because he's hit 60 subscribers. And I thought, what better thing to do than to give it to him, and it's so shiny, you probably can't. Oh yeah, you can. It's really nice. That's what the enamel did. So I'm just gonna fix this up a little bit more. Sorry if you can't see it. Just like that. I'll just grab a rag quickly. And basically what I'm just going to do with it is just wipe it down a little bit. Get any excess stuff off it. So I'll just do that quickly. Same on the other side. Now, if you don't mind me saying this, but I think this is done. So next video, or the next part, will be me showing the reaction of Ashbay Gaming. So let's see you then.